cruising along in the Impala. This is our famous red light, as you see all the other day. And maybe, if these guys are still racing these little boats, I'll show you. It's pretty cool, little RC boat action. Got nice potholes, got a crappy Dodge dealer. People all get mesmerized with like these Chryslers. They go nuts, they just stop and they stare at these cars. So I'll be like one of them. See this little Charger over here? I'll stop, I'll stare, and then I'll go. Be like everyone else around here. Because it's Florida, people got nothing else to do. They're crazy. And yeah, don't go over there. There's a big hole, makes your car go nuts. This car is actually stopping a lot better since put those pads on and it broke them in. So I was driving like a maniac before. And we got trade-ins. Want to see the Caprice? Look, there's a Caprice right over there. L99, 95, or 96. What is that? Medium garnet red. Doesn't look too bad a shape. I think those cars are going to Tampa. They aren't going to the local auction. Should we floor it? Alright. And our brakes work. Look. The brakes work. And it almost puts you to the windshield when you step on the brakes. It wasn't like that. I better stop beating on these brakes. I'm gonna kill these new rotors. I'm gonna driving like an ass, like I got some 15-inch big brake kit. But nah, I got whatever, 12 inches. That's what she said. But yeah, I'm still driving around. Let's go over here. Got little doggies over there. Show you the boats. Jeep doesn't crash me. They're probably going, why is this guy videotaping? And they probably don't even notice. Oh, they're racing one. Cool. Yep. The car's coming. And he's watching too. We'll block his view. See the little boats? They race little boats here all weekend long. They're pretty cool. Go pretty fast to roll down this window, as you can see. Like a little catamaran looking thing. Put it in park. Oh, he's launching another one. They'll be racing soon. Cool. You really go ask these people where they get the parts for these things. It's probably the same little places for cars and whatnot. The S4 is looking pretty good today though. Some days it's real choppy. They're just cruising. Or they just put these things wide open, throttle, and they're really flying. Or they brake and they have that little boat over there if you can see it. They jump in it and they run out. It's pretty cool. New Buick. Don't want it. I wish you had it though where I live. That would really annoy people. Anyway, those are boats. It's the Impala. Stops decent now. Pretty cool. See too, these people are all hardcore. They got trailers, everything. Hardcore boat racing people. I don't have a trailer just to race boats. No, I just got an old crappy boat. I finally got to stop. Yeah. Oh, there's another guy on this side. I don't know what he's doing. Swimming? Oh, he's washing his dog. Yeah. Let me go on that water. That water's all the same crap that comes off the roads. It's just all oil. Oh, there's our Caprice. You got a dented left front fender. Dashboard's very faded. I don't know what year it is. Oh, that fender's wrecked too. Yeah, that thing's going to the auction big time. Holy crap. Hear my car rattling again? Yeah, this thing's jumping. Right, let me get out of here. These are all trade-ins. Look at that cool old Buick. I drove many of those things. You get them for about $500. Drive fantastic. Drove one, I won't tell you where, but drove one. It's Mr. Caprice. Like that Honda right there. I drove one 5-speed, just like that, 99, 247,000 miles. Drove perfect. Shifting great. Kind of want one. Honda's a good car. It's made in America, believe it or not. If I wasn't driving Chevys, I would probably be a Honda fan. Still kind of want to buy one, believe it or not. Great little cars. Yeah, that's where my little drag strip is over there. Don't tell anyone. A couple more drag strips around. But yeah, that's it. Oh my god, I want it. Oh no, I don't. No, I want one of those now. I want